Assalamualaikum everyone and good day. My name is Rajali El Nakan and this is my report about subsurface drainage system. So, most most groundwater infiltration problems are easily corrected by the roof and surface drainage measures outlined in previous section. In extreme cases, when the building site slopes severely towards the building or if the water table constantly rises above the basement of or crawl space floor line, there is need for more complex solution to this groundwater infiltration problem. Remedies includes installation of the following system: the subsurface drainage system. So, subsurface drainage system, a subsurface drainage system is like an underground plumbing system for your land. It helps remove excess water from the soil, improving drainage and making the uh, making the land more suitable for various uses. So, pwede natin ito ma-apply sa farm. So, by the way, i-explain muna natin yung I'll explain the subsurface drainage system. So, di ba, do you know the BGC? BGC from saan ba yun? Manila. So, yung BGC daw ay hindi siya binabaha o hindi nagkakaroon ng baha kasi malawak daw yung drainage system. So yun yung isa sa example ng subsurface drainage system. Hindi nagkakaroon ng existing water to the soil or into a surface. So ang purpose ng subsurface drainage system are primarily used to remove excess water from the soil, especially in the areas with poor natural drainage. This excess water can hinder plant growth, cause soil erosion, and create problems for building foundation. So, di ba? Ang purpose nito ay yung para ma-remove yung mga excess water from the soil or yung sa lupa. Kumbaga, 'di ba, pag halimbawa sa farm natin ay parang pag walang subsurface drainage system ay maaaring masira yung ating mga pananim na kumbaga malunod ba. May chance na masira yung ating farm. So, yung components nito, this system typically consists of a network of perforated pipes called drains. So, that are buried underground. These pipes are connected to the main drain that leads to a collection point, such as a ditch or a storm sewer. So, ang system nito ay, ang subsurface drainage system ay meron siyang drains na kumbaga doon na iipon. Yung mga pipes na in-install underground ay meron siya doon dumadaan yung mga naipon na tubig into a large main drain. So, how it works? Water seeps into perforated pipes through small holes or slits. The pipes then carry the water away from the area, improving drainage that leads and reducing water logging. So, ang benefits nito ay better drainage, promote healthy plants growth, and reduce the risk of root. So reduce erosion. Excess water can cause soil erosion, which can damage crops and degrade the land. Drainage system help prevent this. So yun. So, yung subsurface drainage system ay pwede nitong ma-prevent. Yung foundation protection niya is subsurface drainage can help prevent water damage to build a foundation. So, yan. So, we have the key concept, sump and sump pump. Sump and sump pump is a pit or reservoir called sump. Can be located in the basement or crawl space floor. So, interior perimeter drain, French drain. An interior perimeter drain is commonly called French drain. Is a subsurface drainage system consisting of drain pipe or drain tile placed in a trench below the basement slab and near the inside perimeter of foundation walls. So we have another interceptor drain. An interceptor drain is a subsurface drainage system involving a drain pipe or drain tile laid uh, in a trench between the building and uphill source of water. So another is exterior perimeter drain or peripheral drain. A subsurface drainage system consisting of drain pipe or drain tile laid in a trench around the outside perimeter of the building, foundation, and backfilled with gravel. Interceptor. We have an last interceptor drain. An interceptor drain is a subsurface drainage system involving a drain pipe or drain tile laid in a trench between the building and a uphill source of water. So we have here the picture, the building stormwater drainage system, the low spot dry well or this oil field. So we have foundation drain slopes to low point. So we have drain tile or pipe gravel. So in another picture, we have the components of an interceptor drainage system. We have the irrigation canal, the when you see the seepage from the irrigation canal, and so yan, parang visualize siya into a farm, which is doon na ipon yung water sa interception drainage daylights on slope and discharge into a roadside stage. So yan, overall subsurface drainage system play a crucial role in managing water levels in a soil, leading into a variety of benefits for land use and environmental health. So that's all. Thank you.